to Pengill Bros. Today we are going to make slime, and we have a special guest,
Kelsey.
And Kelsey, what are we going to do today?
We are going to make slime.
What kind of slime, though?
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. Now,
If we ever want.
how much we want?
Yeah, if we want 2 bottles, we can put 2 bottles. If we want just like on a little bit, we can have a little bit.
I think we're going to fill up like half, maybe. We're going to cover the bottom a few. So let's open this up and pour it in. Alright, so now all of our glue is in. It's filled up the bottom quite a bit. That was one whole bottle. It doesn't come out anymore. So now we're going to set this aside and we're going to add the food coloring. Now this is really thick stuff, so we're going to add a lot. So how much should we add, Kelsey?
3.
3 drops?
No, Kelsey.
You never mix it, right?
Yep. So let's just mix it up until it's blue. Alright, so now they're both going to add quite a bit of shaving cream, so just... Alright, now stop. That was a lot of shaving cream. So shaving cream expands.
Oh my gosh.
It looks giant, but alright.
Oh my gosh.
Mix it in, Kelsey.
Look at this. This is so cool.
You guys added so much shaving cream.
We want it super fluffy.
Yeah. The more shaving cream, the more puffed up it'll get.
Look at this. So look at
Right,
this.
Kelsey?
This is shaving cream. It's just like,
Is it sticky?
it's not, it's pretty sticky, but
Whoa. No, it's not. It's cool. It's like snow. Wait, can I feel it?
it's like,
It's like
dry snow.
it's like dry snow and it won't come off. Well, it will come off.
Well, okay, so
More glue and more food coloring. So add a lot.
so just don't do the.
There you go. Now, Pierce, you're gonna add some more glue.
Yeah.
Add some glue. Nice go.
How much glue? Like tons.
I don't know. So pretty much, you just want to even it out so that just keep repeating glue, shaving cream, food coloring again and again until you get a good. Get him, Kelsey, get him. All right.
Right, look.
All right. So now we gotta add more glue. So yeet.
No, but now it's like, oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. Okay. And more food coloring until it's the consistency that you would like it to be.
Bring that to me.
Go bring it to mommy. Bye bye. I'll be back.
All right, Kelsey. So you are the slime queen. So we're gonna add this. Will bond it together. So
Yes.
drip that in there. We're gonna. That's good. So whoa. All right. This is gonna bond it together.
And you just want to keep
no.
on adding this until it like gets what you like want it to be like.
We added way too much shaving cream to it.
And we're gonna have a big batch of slime. If you add if you don't, if you want to add 3, or you want to make a giant slime, you have to have it like a giant bowl. You can follow us on this, but you have to do double the stuff.
Pierce, get in frame at least.
Okay.
All right. So we want this to bond it a little more. Oops. All right. Okay, that's good.
And then once it's like what you want, like if it's too like hard, you added way too much of this.
Shaving cream.
No, way too much. Whatever this is called.
Blue?
No.
Oh. Well, that's what
All
I
right.
mean. I'm making
So
slime.
the next step is to pour it onto your surface. Now your surface will let it air out and let it solidify. So
Pierce is making his own.
this is the satisfying part.
We need more of
Shaving
whatever
cream.
that. No, we do not need more of shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream. What?
Oh no.
We need more of kind of whatever it's called, the eye drops.
Oh no, Kelsey. You gotta mix it, Get it off the edge. With your hands, kind of move it around.
I can.
Yes, you can. Let's add more of this. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh no.
I.
I just ran right off the edge. Okay. Here, mix it in.
It's too sticky.
It's not too sticky.
We need more shaving cream.
And if it's too sticky, more shaving cream and more of the
Eye drops.
eye drop. Not the contact solution.
Yeah, but we
Whoa.
have eye drops.
Okay, so this is Kelsey. What do you say about this slime?
This is really.
Thank you for
Watching our video.